Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are about to enter a world of darkness. A world where life and death are meaningless.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and at long last, my friends, at long last, we have our final house announcement for Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights 2019. All 10 houses have been revealed, guys, and this last house is a doozy. Again, it doesn't come as much of a surprise to those who actively follow the rumors and speculation surrounding the Halloween Horror Nights event each year. But, guys, Rob Zombie's House of 1,000 Corpses is finally making its way out to Universal Studios Orlando for Halloween Horror Nights 2019. And, my God, guys, this is very, very exciting. Rob Zombie's House of 1,000 Corpses has been featured in the past at Universal Studios Hollywood for their Halloween Horror Nights event, and my God, that house, you know, it looks insane. It's very gory, very bloody. There's just so much going on, and I've personally never seen the House of 1,000 Corpses movie. I know there's a movie out there on it, and I'm very much so looking forward to actually watching that movie along with us. There's a couple movies that I'm going to be watching this year in preparation for Halloween Horror Nights. I'm catching myself up on Stranger Things. I finally bit the bullet and started watching that, and I actually got into it, so that's good news. So I can walk through the Stranger Things house and know what the heck is going on in season 2 and 3. I am super excited. Let's go over to the Halloween Horror Nights website and see exactly what they have to say about Rob Zombie's horror masterpiece, House of 1,000 Corpses. Ever wonder how many corpses you can fit inside a house? 1? 10? Do we dare say 1,000? Find out at Halloween Horror Nights with House of 1,000 Corpses, the new haunted house based on Rob Zombie's horror masterpiece. This fall, you'll discover firsthand why this house is built on horror. Come face to face with the psychotic Firefly family and their collection of blood and gore. Watch the legend of Dr. Satan come to life right before your eyes. Keep a lookout for the latest addition to Captain Spaulding's Museum of Monsters and Madmen, Fish Boy. And if you're lucky, you'll escape the house as fast as a rabbit, minus the fluffy bunny costume and tragic ending. So guys, you heard it here. House of 1,000 Corpses is coming to Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. I could not be more excited for this. I know I say that in every single video. I'm probably going to put that on a t-shirt at some point. I couldn't be more excited because I say that a lot. I honestly couldn't be. Halloween Horror Nights is my favorite event each year that they put on Halloween at Universal Studios, and I look forward to it every year. I'm a horror fanatic. I love horror movies, and these events is just my annual dose of adrenaline, and I cannot wait to get out there and to experience all these haunted houses. We're going to be there again opening night, and we're going to be there the entire weekend. So those first 3 days of Halloween Horror Nights, we are going to be out there. We're going to be filming. We're going to be experiencing the event with you guys, and it's going to be just an all-around fantastic weekend. It's the weekend that I look forward to every single year. The haunt season is right around the corner, guys. The theme parks are getting set for their Halloween events. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party starts this Friday, and then in a couple weeks, opening night for Halloween Horror Nights, and then after that is the opening night for Busch Gardens Howl-O-Scream. I'm going to have a couple more videos on that event coming up here very, very soon, as they've announced a couple houses for that event as well. Guys, if you are excited for this haunted house, and if you're excited for Halloween Horror Nights, then why not smash that like button down below. Let me know how excited you guys are. If you guys enjoyed the video and you want to see more like it in the future, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down below as well. Ring that bell icon, get notified every time I upload a new Halloween Horror Nights video in the future. Keep yourselves updated with all the latest Halloween Horror Nights news and information as they become available. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful morning, day, afternoon, evening, and I will see you guys in the next video.